I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 12-hour chart. We're down here at this bounce level, bounce level, bounce level. This support has led to upside previously. You see a break to the downside of this pattern. You can see 17,600, 16,000. If this does hold, like it has a couple times, you could see a move up here to $22,000 Bitcoin. These altcoins, they get devastated, and then on a 10% move out of Bitcoin to the upside, you can make a ton of money. So we need to zoom in to lower term timeframes to get a better idea on what Bitcoin is doing. But this is the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. And so understand, this is a huge falling wedge, right? There's a 68% chance that this breaks to the upside, and it's a large pattern, right? Could see an extended move to the upside as long as the pattern breakout is confirmed, okay? Now, you had this bull trap, and I was sleeping, but your best short-term entry, scalp entry, would have been as soon as the price action. So look at this level. If a bear trap, the level is lost, and then the bulls regain it. But as soon as you get the retest, that bullish retest right here, when the price action works back into the pattern, the bears are trapped, and this confirms your entry idea. You understand this, you will make a tremendous amount of money in this market. And it works both ways, long and short. Now, price action has had a significant run up based on the RSI oversold bounce. And you saw a run from 19,530 all the way up here to about 20,409. So the cycle top for previous bull markets, actually 2017 bull market, was about 19,700, right? So there's a ton of buyers. You know that there's a ton of buyers stacked right here, right? The support level, so look, support, 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 support. This is the lower trend line and cycle top for previous bull markets in this area, right? So there's a ton of buyers stacked here. You lose these levels, again, $16,000 Bitcoin, not amazing. However, this price action works sideways at some point and breaks out of this falling wedge. We can buy into strength and we'll make a ton of money on these altcoins. But there is definitely room for another leg to the downside. Some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person managed to make the 7-digit club. He'd been in the group for a year. If you don't make $1 million overnight, don't be surprised. But over time, I will drag you to the top with me. This person started with about $1,000 2.5 months ago. Now they're up to $18,000. Kucoin Gem Pick City. Banging. You got to be in the right coins constantly. Every single day, we're posting winner after winner after winner. We're giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. It can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. The United States economy is not in good shape. China, not in good shape. Europe, not in good shape. So all that plays into how you trade the market. So what we want to do is we want to go to the stock market, and it all depends on this. Right now, the price action, and this is the ES1, S&P 500 E-mini futures, right? See how this was support, 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 right? You have this order block right here. Here it was support. So this is a key level. Well, that's been lost. Now the bulls do not have an easy task here to come down and just flip this as support again. So you could see lower prices out of Bitcoin. Actually, there's a falling wedge in here, right? So if you did get, you just don't have, the pattern's not established yet. Again, right now you got a bearish retest of the 200 simple. The bulls have got to get this level back in order Avoid downside, period, right? Otherwise, you're looking for a bigger retrace out of Bitcoin. Pay attention to what the stock market's doing. Fed Now program has been announced as fast payments for the United States. This is launching between May and July of 2023. So this is going to bring instant payment infrastructure to financial institutions of every size across America. Immediately I thought, well, what about XRP? Obviously, one idea for cryptocurrency is fast transfers across borders. So how will this change the game? Any type of cryptos that whole purpose is to transfer money quickly loses a little bit of appeal when the United States comes out with a modern and reliable instant payment system. The dollar has been booming. You have this bull flag. This is the DXY. This is the dollar compared to a basket of fiat currencies. It broke out to the upside. Now the measured move, if you pull this distance, the measured move is up here. Dollar, a strong dollar is not good for Bitcoin. It's not good for crypto. It's not good for the stock market, right? So you need some type of double top right here. You need some type of retracement to get a good rally out of crypto and the altcoins. Stock market obviously as well. So we're watching the DXY. Very good idea to watch multiple charts, find confluence. Ethereum. We haven't forgotten about you, Ethereum. We got a ton of news coming out of Ethereum with the proof of stake merge. Ethereum is in a falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks out to the upside. However, will this happen now or later? So again, this is one of the coins we've had on our radar, but we know that Ethereum is at the mercy of Bitcoin, which is at the mercy of the stock market. So you could see $1,900 Ethereum based on hype, news, Fomo, rally ideas we talked about in previous videos. So ETH is still on the radar. The safest entry is always a bullish retest on the breakout. However, when Bitcoin is trying to reverse and you have reversal ideas, you can enter on the lower trend line. So if it comes down here and Bitcoin looks like it's trying to bounce and turn around, you don't miss part of the move. And again, it's a little bit more risky, but this is crypto. What's not risky, right? Fed is going to continue to raise the rates. The Fed came out with some very hawkish news, and immediately the markets priced it in and dumped the other day. Okay, so again, there's a lot of, we're in uncharted territory economically. Until the Fed softens their stance, you have to wonder about long-term upside for the stock market, for crypto. However, bounce ideas, definitely a possibility. But just think if the ES1 works its way down to the lower trend line, what that does to the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, right? This is huge. Meta, obviously the parent company of Facebook, they now allow users to connect digital wallets and post NFTs across Facebook and Instagram. Digital collectibles, metaverse, the next hype FOMO rally is going to be life-changing. Don't doubt that for a second. In the bear markets, people really begin to doubt crypto. However, millionaires are made during the bear market because you're able to pick up crypto and NFTs a lot lower prices. And then the hype FOMO rally begins. And again, I'm not saying, hey, this is going to happen tomorrow, but the infrastructure is being laid constantly. You have huge institutions like BlackRock funds, $10 trillion under asset management, working with Coinbase. Like the infrastructure is getting laid right now for the next bull market. And you have to take advantage of this time to learn as much as possible. We're real good in the trading group at finding the money flow. You know, it was ICOs in 2017. Then you had DeFi run up. We nailed the DeFi run up. Then you obviously had NFTs and metaverse, and we killed it. You've got to be in the right coins. You've got to follow the money flow. Continue to watch this channel. I'll make sure you're updated. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.